the future of communication, and that is digital marketing. So let's know about digital marketing course. Before we go ahead, we need to know that what is an introduction to digital marketing. Thanks for joining Vision Upliftment Academy. Let's move ahead and talk about what is digital marketing. Here I have prepared a small video all about an introduction on digital marketing. So let's talk. Every business and industry is using digital marketing. It is more popular than traditional marketing. It is all because of the internet. What happens in the internet? There are a lot of snaps, there are a lot of videos, clicks, text, audio activated activity, tweets, email, and many more. Now let's talk about the difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. Traditional marketing have reach in limited form. Digital marketing have reach in maximum form. Traditional marketing is non-versatile, whereas digital marketing is versatile. Traditional marketing have late communication, whereas digital marketing have quick communication. Traditional marketing have lack in result, whereas digital marketing have instant result. Traditional marketing is costly, whereas digital marketing is not at all costly. Traditional marketing have difficult reaching audience, whereas digital marketing have easy reaching audience. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is an act of promoting services with the help of digital devices and technologies. So when we are talking about digital devices, these are laptop, mobile, and many more. And when we are talking about the digital technology, these are SEO, SEM, social media marketing, and many more. Now let's talk about the types of digital marketing. These are SEO, SEM, email marketing, affiliate marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, and many more. So to move ahead, we need to know the client's life cycle. So there are 4 stages which we need to consider. So the first one is awareness stage, consideration stage, purchase stage, post-purchase stage. So let's talk about the awareness stage. Here we come with the questions like what product offers to the client, why do they need your product, what solution can your product provide them. Now let's talk about the consideration stage. So here are the questions. What features make your product valuable to the client? How will you increase traffic engagements? Let's talk about the purchase stage. How are the prices different from the competitors? Is your brand more credible than others? Talk about the post-purchase stage. What else product you can sell to your customers? How to improve your buying expenses? Will clients refer to the others? If yes, then why? Today, digital marketing is everywhere. It is broad, it covers a lot of area. Digital marketing helps with digital technologies and services. It can be applied to search engine, website, mobile apps, social media, email, and many more. Digital marketing helps to determine how well your campaign is doing. It helps to provide personalized user experience, allows ad campaign to be visible across the world very fast. Digital marketing provides cost-effective alternatives to the traditional marketing method, and at the end, it builds awareness for your business. So guys, as we know very well that how in today's world digital marketing is a need, and it is the future of tomorrow, and it will be there with much stronger technologies and services. So stop back sitting home and join us to be a part of Stronger Tomorrow. We believe that market needs you, and you are the one who create the market digitally. So that's all about the introduction on digital marketing. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel for more updates.